The twisting might of siege engines, a tale of torsion weapons. In the annals of warfare, few machines evoke the raw power and ingenuity of ancient and medieval engineers, quite like torsion weapons. These devices, which harness the energy of twisted materials, revolutionized siege warfare and struck fear into the hearts of besieged defenders. And here they are. The ballista, bolts of fury. Imagine a Roman legion laying siege to a heavily fortified city. Among their arsenal stands the formidable ballista, a torsion-powered weapon capable of launching heavy bolts with terrifying force and accuracy. With its two horizontal arms and tightly wound bundles of sinew or horsehair, the ballista was a weapon of precision, picking off defenders on battlements and raining down projectiles onto enemy formations. The onager, a wild ass unleashed. For sheer destructive power, the Romans turned to the onager. This one-armed torsion weapon had a spoon-shaped arm that flung massive stones with incredible force. It was a fearsome sight on the battlefield, capable of smashing walls and sowing confusion among the enemy ranks. During a siege, the rhythmic winding of the onager's winches and the thunderous recoil when its arm was released would have sent shivers down the spines of the defenders. The springald, a medieval marvel. As the centuries passed and siege warfare evolved, so too did torsion weapons. The medieval springald, or espringall, emerged as a bolt-throwing device that built upon the principles of the ancient ballista. Described in an 11th century Byzantine manuscript, the springald featured inward-swinging arms powered by twisted skeins of silk or sinew. These weapons were deployed in large numbers during the 14th century, showcasing their importance in the arsenal of the time. A legacy of twisted power. And while gunpowder artillery ultimately replaced them on the battlefield, the stories of these engines of war reminding us of a time when the power of a twisted horsehair could determine the fate of cities and empires. The principle of torsion, the twisting and release of energy, continues to play a role in various aspects of modern weaponry and related technologies. Torsion springs are found in small arms for applications like trigger return springs. In construction, torsion is a critical consideration in designing structures like bridges, towers, and buildings to prevent failure due to twisting forces caused by wind, seismic activity, or uneven loading. Torsion analysis is vital for designing aircraft wings and fuselages to withstand torsional loads during flight maneuvers. Modern naval aircraft carriers utilize powerful catapults that use torsion-generated power to launch jets off their decks, saving space and resources compared to longer runways. Torsion bars, a type of torsion spring, are employed in the suspension systems of various vehicles, including military vehicles. If you like the channel vibe, click subscribe.